Hello, and thank you for your interest in loan servicing soft. We have been in the lending and loan servicing software business for over 40 years, since 1983. And the system is complete loan origination, servicing. Our system handles investors, trust accounting, collections, reporting, and the list goes on. Um, The system is a combination of solutions, including web portals, a server, uh, system that will allow you to run your own private SQL uh, system. Um, Probably the quickest and best way to show someone our system and how it works is with some videos that we've made recently that showcase all of our new features and functionality. So first off, we've completely rehauled um, our entire web portal solution. That includes web applications, underwriting, web portals for active loans, web portals for investors. So new web portals is a big part of what we're doing these days. Um, we're integrating all kinds of new AI technology, like an AI voice application, um, the ability to extract data from documents using AI. Here's our new document extractor, data extractor, uh, which is very handy for doing doc prep, right? Getting closing contracts out to your borrowers for their underwriting. Um, Text to ACH. This new text to ACH uh, functionality that we're offering is just incredible, right? So, uh, board your loans into our system, invite the borrowers, immediately invite the borrowers to opt in for texting and payments via ACH, uh, via their phone. Um, our system can also be set up to send out emails and mail bills and do coupon books and all these other techniques, but text to ACH is the future. And this is what you want to do. You want to immediately invite all your borrowers as soon as they go active into accepting ACH, um, uh, pardon me, into receiving text messages, SMS text messages to their telephones. And then they can go ahead and make their payments right from their phones using their bank account, like an e-check or an ACH payment. And that can happen one time, or it can be set up for reoccurring. And then all the payments go directly into your loan servicing soft system. The entire process is automated, right? So that's our new text to ACH, or welcome to text reminders. We have another video over here. This is a very long video on text to ACH, or welcome to text reminders. And this is a very short, quick little video on the same subject. So our YouTube page, I would encourage you strongly, please go watch some YouTube videos, subscribe. Um, and that's a good way to learn more about One Servicing Soft. Um, let's talk about web portals. We build very, very fancy web portals for all kinds of private lenders and alternative lenders, alternative finance companies, a lot of private money, hard money, commercial, and so on. So these are a couple of our users, and you'll see here this one organization, they have an investor login, and that jumps over to us, and they're going to now log in to a loan servicing soft uh, web portal that'll allow that investor or that borrower um, to see all their details. And it's all going to mesh in your existing website, and it's just going to look gorgeous. Here's another one. Uh, Again, log in, and here's a simpler login screen. Some folks want a fully integrated, fancy, like I was just showing. Some people want to just have something very simple like this. So, what that essentially does is ties your website to your accounting system, your loan servicing and trust accounting system. Um, and then once we're doing web portals, we can just do anything you like. Here's an example of our new loan origination and underwriting application portals, right? So someone comes along, they say, I want a loan. Great, put your email in. They're then verified. They're then brought to a page where they can fill out an application, upload documents. This is like a progress page, right? So first contact, app, progress page with the ability to upload additional things. And then you're managing everything back at your office. Here's you pulling credit, for example, right? So yeah, so again, loan servicing software, complete loan origination, servicing system with all bells and whistles. Again, we've been doing this for about 42, 43 years. And that's a quick summary. If you're interested in our system, the system starts off for as little as $500 a month. It's month to month, no annual contract. And we would encourage you to just give it a try. If you're a private lender of any kind of private money, hard money, alternative lender, loan servicing software is going to be a real good fit for you. And we'd love to talk to you. Thank you so much.